Put it on top.
What's up, YouTube?
In the far end.
You should already know. We're at the range. We said 1,000, we're gonna blow something up. But at 500, we had a little treat for you. So, we got the new Steyr. We're gonna see how that is. Brought out the AK. Of course, we got the BB gun that you guys love so much. The MPA Defender. And let's see what else. We got the shotgun. We got, what's this? Davey brought a jank ass Taurus. Well, I don't even know you had a Taurus still. Got another shotgun. We got one more shotgun. We got a 300 Win Mag. And then we got the FN 509.
Look, guys, no fingerprints.
Look, no fingerprints.
At the range.
At the range. All right, we're gonna load all this shit up and we'll get back. All right, guys, we're back. We got all our stuff loaded up. We got the Canik, we got the Steyr, we loaded up the AK, and of course, we loaded up your favorite, the BB gun. All right, before we send all that shit off, we're gonna give this bad boy a test rip. We got the 300 Win Mag, and I believe it's got the armor piercing rounds in it. So let's send one of these bad boys out, and then we'll get right back to you. All right, we're on fire. And all right, we got some kick. All right, we're gonna finish this up, and then we'll get right back. We got some Dragonsbreath for you, and we're gonna dump a whole bunch of dumb shit. So see you here in a little bit. All right, guys. So which one should we shoot? Should we go with the subsonics? Oh, never mind. They're both subsonics. We're going with the subsonics. All right. Now, this is the Steyr A2. It's a nifty little gun, straight out of Austria, not Australia. All right. And there's no safety on it. I mean, there is, but you have to have a key lock for it. So it's not, I mean, fuck that. But other than that, you got a safety on the trigger. And other than that, you're good to lock and load. Now, I have not shot this gun. I'm gonna give it a couple rounds, and then I'm gonna pass the gun around, and we're all gonna take some shots. See how it is, see how it feels, let you know. As you can see, we're locked and loaded, so let's have some fun. Oh man, these sights are so nice. They're like a fucking pyramid. Oh my god, that's so smooth too. Wait till you guys actually feel how this is. There was like no kickback on it. I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna let Devin take a little run over. How you like it in your hand?
Feels too good.
Wait till you shoot it.
It's not a glove.
Look at these sights.
It goes right back.
Look at these sights. It's like a pyramid. It's so dirty. We got FPS Davey over here too, so we're gonna let him take a couple shots. See how he likes it.
Oh, those sights are awesome.
They are dirty.
There's like no recoil or nothing.
None. So there it is. That's a Steyr. We got another clip. We're gonna save this for a little bit. And we also got some Dragonsbreath. So stay tuned, because 500 subs, I said that we were gonna do something for you. That's why we got the shotguns. We're gonna load them up and we're gonna fucking dump them for you. So see you here in a second. Yeah. Don't be like that. You know what to do. You hit the, no, just leave it go. I can edit it. You know what to do, Lizzie. All right, guys. Now, FPS Davey, he hasn't shot a Canik. So luckily for him, I got the Canik TP9 Elite. All right. And we're gonna let him just have some fun. We're gonna give him the baby mag. This one holds, what's this, 15? This holds 15 in it, so 16 with one in the head. The Canik TP9 does come with a threaded barrel. It comes with back grips and the extra mag. It is a +3. So this one holds 18, 19 with one in the head, all right? So I've already shot this gun numerous times, so I'm only gonna shoot it once or twice, and then I'm gonna pass it over to FPS Davey, and then Devin's gonna get a grip on it. Me and Devin have shot this gun religiously. This is probably my everyday carry. This is the one that I do everything with, all right? I usually just rock it right here in the plate carrier, or just on the side or whatever, but enough of me talking. You can see, let's get it. All right, I'm gonna just send off 2, and then I'm gonna pass it off. Now the Canik doesn't have a safety either, so you gotta treat it like a Glock.
All right.
I like it way better than the Glock. I don't mind them. They're pretty decent. You know? Just regular basic sights. And then, Devin, you already know the game plan. You got the 18 rounder right over there. If you want to show Davey exactly how we get down,
This one.
that's a Steyr mag. Yeah, that one's. Go ahead and show Davey how we get down. You got 3 or 4 more in it? This is such a beautiful gun. So let's give you a little POV of it. Oh man, super thick. I'm pretty sure we got one more still in there. Davey, go ahead. Because you haven't shot it, so have fun. Then we got the FN. Man, I love that gun. The FN's so nice.
Can't wait to get my 5.45.
Yeah, you did. You just picked up a 5.45. That thing's gonna rip.
Oh man.
And you guys already know, we got the BB gun right here too. And we got the whole stick for it loaded up. So, everyone that says it won't feed, I'm gonna show you that it does. All right. You racking off the 509?
Yeah.
Davey, have you ever shot a FN?
No.
No? Let us know how you like it.
He's good.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch. How you like it?
I like it a lot.
Now, you shot the FN, the Canik, and the Steyr. So far, which one do you like?
Steyr.
You like the Steyr?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I really like the Steyr too. It's probably gonna go Steyr, FN, and then Canik for me. What about you?
Well, I'm biased because the FN's mine.
Well,
so I'm
the
gonna go
fucking
FN,
Canik's mine.
Steyr, Canik. FN, Steyr, Canik, yeah.
Good choice. Alright. Now, should we do the AK? Or should we do the BB gun? What do you guys think? AK or BB
AK.
gun?
AK.
AK.
AK?
AK.
Alright, I guess we're doing the AK. Alright, so let's get it. Davey, you haven't shot an AK.
No, I have not.
Now, typically, I would be like, here you go, take the first shot. But I like the AK too. So. Ah! Oh. Duh. Safety. Oh man, she's cold. She's still in favor. She ejected? Alright, bet. There you go. Let Davey get a little bit of enjoyment.
Give him the banana.
Yeah, let him get the banana. Hey, send off about 10 of them and then hand it over so that way we don't just dump the whole. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah? Now Devin specializes in AKs. I'm just glad I didn't bring the drum because it would have already been done.
I would have emptied it.
It would have been done.
As soon as Davey handed it to me, I would have emptied it. There should be.
Oh yeah, we still got some in there. Davey's saying gimme, 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 but I'm saying wait. Alright?
Wait.
We're gonna wait.
Hold on.
Alright? We're gonna load up a couple more things. We're gonna get some other things handled. And in the meantime, go in the comment section and tell me how horrible I am at racking back an AK. Because I'm sure you guys will already be doing
Too
that.
bad, I'll just tell you in person.
Even better. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I was just getting ready to just load up the AK real quick and look what I found. This thing went into Austin Powers mini-me mode.
Stop.
What the fuck is that? Oh, good thing I stopped on that one.
Look how shrunk.
Look how... Have you guys ever seen something like that?
Pioneer for you.
Damn Klishnoff.
Caution off. Speak English.
Oh,
Damn it.
man.
I can't believe that happened.
I can't believe that happened either. That's wild. Look at that. That's crazy. Boom! I'm kidding.
It actually goes off.
Yeah, I know. Just in case. Keep that like that. Point it down the range. All right. Now that we got that out of the way, I'll be right back.
What you say? Care if I dump the AK? There's only like 6 rounds, 7 rounds.
Got 6 rounds in it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead and dump it.
Plus the one that's in the chamber. It was worth it.
Alright. Let's bang out some of these shotgun rounds. And then after we dump out the shotgun rounds, we're gonna put some Dragon's Breath in it, get it ready. But before we do the Dragon's Breath, we're gonna light up this BB gun for you. Alright? We're gonna just we're just gonna have some fun. So stay tuned. And if you're not gonna stay tuned, fuck off. Let's shoot some shotguns. Huh? I mean, we got 1 shotgun, 2 shotguns, 3. Am I the only one with a pump?
No, Davey got a pump.
Yeah!
We'll let Davey go, then you go, and then I'll go.
Alright. Oh, what kind of bitch shit's... Safety. Big man on campus.
Big dick in town, goddammit.
Mr. Big Nick's in town. All right, the real question is do we do the Dragon's Breath out of the semi or out of the pump? What do you think? Drop a comment and let me know.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I gotta smoke a cig too. But it's time for your favorite, your BB gun. All right. And yes, This is a mock suppressor, all right? This isn't a real suppressor. It comes with the gun. What do we got? Who is that? No one important.
Nope.
All right, just so that way you guys know, this is not a real suppressor, all right? Whenever you buy this gun, it comes with it, if you get the one that comes with it. Sometimes they don't. I don't think the 5.7 comes with it. But this is the 9mm, all right? We got the safety right here. It's a weird safety. It goes not 180, but it goes 360. It goes however you want. But we're gonna screw this bad girl on. We're gonna shove it in there. And for all you soy boys out there saying that it can't fucking rack, I'm gonna show you it does. Now the other thing with this is you can see it's on safety and it still puts one in it. All right, so that, ooh, flash is on. All right guys, we don't got a lot of time, so little malfunction, fill up the phone memory real quick, so I had to delete a little bit of stuff, but for all you soy boys out there, we're gonna rack them through. All right, now there's already one in the head. Now we're gonna send these through. We got these Dragonsbreath afterwards, and we're gonna let them rip. All right, we're live. Didn't jam.
Ooh,
That's
no.
weird.
Didn't jam.
It didn't jam.
Didn't jam.
That one did. Oh, come on.
Subsonic.
All right. The soy boys are gonna be upset with that one.
It was a subsonic.
I told you. Oh no, FMJ. Pretty sure it's the mag.
That's keeping it loaded. I love using their comments against them.
Yeah, they're gonna love that.
One of them. We went into one of them.
We had one. We had one that didn't go through.
I thought it hit
We
my
had
back.
two. So I know you guys are gonna love that. It jammed. Go ahead and soy boy the comments up for me. All right. But overall, not bad. For 500 bucks, you can't go wrong.
I've had Glocks jam just as much.
Dude, I hate Glocks. I mean, I like them, but I fucking hate them. But we're gonna load up these Dragonsbreath. We're gonna get this shit rolling, and we're gonna light up the night sky for you. So let's hurry up before we get in some fucking trouble. All right. All right, guys. We got the shotguns loaded up. I got mine up here. This is just a pump, and then we got Devin's. Go ahead and show Devin. We got Devin with the semi. All right. We got some Dragonsbreath. We got 2 extra. So I'm gonna send off these ones through the pump. And then we're gonna have Devin step in, and he's just gonna send them through the semi, all right? 500 subs, thank you guys very much. Thanks for sticking through this whole video too, if you did. If you didn't, you're a fucking soy boy, all right? But let's have some fun. Let's watch this Dragonsbreath, all right? Now we're live. Everyone good?
Yep.
All right. What do I got? I got 3 of them in here, right?
3, yeah.
I got 1 old Dragonsbreath, and I have 2 new ones. And then Devin, he's got 1 old one and
2 new.
2 news. All right, so we're locked and loaded. Let's go. Ready?
Yep.
All right. Oh.
They don't like them.
Oh, it doesn't like it?
Nope, they don't like it.
They don't like it?
We don't like them. Hang on. I'll try one more.
these up.
Definitely didn't like it out of the first one.
I got 2 more left. Let's get it going. Thank you guys again. Go ahead and pass that off. Thank you guys again for the 500 subs. All right. And these are the last 2 Dragonsbreaths. And then after these ones, we got Davey that has a couple of his own. So let's enjoy this. You ready? Hell yeah. Those are nice. All right. Thank you guys again for the 500 subs. It means a lot. Stick around because at 1,000, we're blowing shit up. All right. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to comment and sub. Whew. I forgot, guys. We got a whole mag still. So let's just get rid of these real quick. All right. Let's see. We got the laser. Let's see. We got the laser. And it doesn't fucking matter. I'll see you next video, alright? Have a good one.
Too bad I'm not done either. The baby.
He's so wrong.
Tataris, remember.
Soy boy alert! Soy boy alert! Alright, that's it. Cut that shit off. I love you guys.